This snack right here is one snack that is underrated. Believe me, it is crispy and delicious. And the most interesting part is that it is just made with two ingredients, flour and water. So if you're interested in learning how to make this, please stay tuned. Good day and welcome to my channel. So for this recipe, I'm using 1.5 cup of flour and a quarter cup of water. To the water, you add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil or olive oil to prevent your dough from sticking. And also to the flour, I added quarter teaspoon of salt for taste. And that is all you need to make this amazing snack. So after properly combining the salt to the flour, we start to add the water gradually as we mix. You add it gradually so that you can control the consistency of the dough. The dough shouldn't be too soft so as to make it easy to work with, and it shouldn't be hard either. So after properly mixing that, the next thing is to cover and leave for 15 to 20 minutes before we work on the dough. So this is 20 minutes later. The dough has rested, and as you can see, it's softer than when we made it. So the next thing is to cut into different parts. You can cut it into 3 to 4 parts depending on the size of the dough. If you are still watching and you have not subscribed, please support my channel by subscribing. And to my existing subscribers, I don't take your love for granted. I really appreciate your subscription. Thank you. So at this point, you should try to spread as thin as you can, because the dough has to be very light for you to have that crispy and crunchy nature of the snack. You do same to the rest of the dough until you've exhausted them. So we are done spreading them all. The next thing is to pick them one after the other. Using a rolling pin, you try to spread again before you cut, because after we left it for a while it will shrink. So I'll just try to spread it out again before cutting. After spreading it again, we use either a knife or a dough scraper to shape so that we can get a very beautiful result. This part is not really necessary though, but to get a uniform and beautiful shape, that's why we're doing this. You can see how light the dough is looking. If you can make your own lighter than this, is even better. So I'm done cutting. The next thing is for us to fry, and we'll be frying this on a medium heat. While frying, make sure to turn consistently so that both sides can fry evenly, and also to prevent it from burning. And just like that, with just two ingredients, you've made yourself delicious and crispy snack. Believe me, you will love this snack. Thank you for watching and see you in my next tutorial. And please, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Support my channel by subscribing, hit the like button, and also turn on your notification so that whenever I drop interesting videos like this, you will be notified. Thank you. Bye.